Hello. Some of you may know that I've got a motorhome. Hang on, dirty lens. There you go. Since the lockdown, I had a few weeks out in the lockdown in the little van, but now I've been staying in my motorhome, which has been sworn off road since last August. It's a 6-bar Fiat Ducato. But I'm going to use this lockdown to get it back on the road. I've got a few spots of welding to do on it. I've got that bit there to do. Got a new seal panel to go on there. Oh. And under the bonnet, I don't know how well you can see that, I've got a little section there to weld up, and the same the other side. Don't know if you can see that under there. It's a good old bus. It's a 30-year-old Fiat Ducato, same as a Talbot Express. I've fitted a diesel, even though it's a petrol engine, I've fitted a diesel heater, which works really well. It's a 5 kilowatt diesel heater. I've got the diesel tank in there with the gas bottle, so it's easy to fill up at a petrol station. It's already set for off-grid. It's got 285 watt panel on the roof. I'm also going to paint the outside of it. I've got to remove all these, the awning rails on both sides, and then we're going to paint the whole outside, and then reinstall the awning rails with fresh sealant putty on them. All the windows have been taken out and resealed. It did have a bit of damp in this wall here, but I've rebuilt that. And then the small van's going to be sold. I'm going to be full time in this van. So yeah, that's the update. Plenty to keep me busy in the lockdown. Hasn't been started in some time. Now I'm just going to whip down to the petrol station, get a couple of cans of petrol, and see if we can get her started. Year-old motorhome, hasn't been started in months. Give it a go. Oh man, that's well stiff. Obviously not. Right, got going. To take the distributor cap off and clean a load of crud that had gone to the inside the distributor cap, and then she fired up. it ran quite well. Now I'm going to swap that battery for that battery, because that one's obviously knackered, and get that changed over. Right, now we'll give it another start. Straight away, no problem. Right, that's it. Made sure that the brakes ain't locked on. Next video you should see me washing it, and then start the welding.